Go get it. Oh, what a big girl. What a big girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, what a big girl. Here you go. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Yay! She really dove in that one, huh? For Traveler 311.
Thank you, honey. Whoa, Zoe, come on, you can do it. Get your treats. Zoe, you're not a cat, much as you would like to be. Yep, there's your treats. Your dog's trying to balance, but her little back legs are all slick and she can't quite do it. Oh, nope. Your dog's trying to balance, but she got her back legs all wet, so she can't quite balance like she'd like to. Oh, and then she goes. Almost. You can do it. You get it? Victory. You even blow the bubbles out of your nose, don't you? Well, what do you expect? You have to breathe. She's diving. She blows bubbles out of her nose. She's like a little... I don't think she can see. Oh, do you see the bubbles?